I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I know why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming.
Guess what? We are getting ready to go to Dubai. I'm really excited. It's 8 o'clock on a Wednesday. The Wednesday before Christmas, so I should be asleep. But your girl has to get her hair done, so I'm here at my hair appointments. Look at me, y'all. Just looking dusty. I have my bag full of snacks. Yeah, I feel like my mama. I have some mandarin oranges, a little sandwich, pretzels. This is actually the first time I'm getting my braids professionally done, like ever. I just could not deal with the stress of having to do my own hair this time. Like, no, it's Christmas, there's so much going on, and I just felt like it would take me forever. My stylist just pulled up behind me though, so it's time to get out of the car and get slayed. Let's go ahead and get to it, gang.
Then I made it mess up my mind, and I made it get free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say I'm my love, you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I go stroking your back, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want me.
So I've got to know, am I the only person that brings snacks to their hair appointments, or what? You're either starving all day, bringing snacks, or maybe door dashing or having someone bring your food. So let me know down in the comments below, because I'm curious.
You don't need no other body, baby. Have me, no one till the morning, my one is up on your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you there. Girl, I want you there. Honey, reach your love. And you girl, I want you there. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, love, I love you there. Oh, oh, yeah.
We made it back home after a long day. My hair is done, as you can see. Love the style. Since it's bohemian braids, of course, you know you have the curls, but the curls that I have are out of synthetic hair. So tip for anyone wanting to get this style, make sure you use human hair. And I kind of knew that before, but just with time and how everything was going, like, I didn't even like think to mention it or bring it up. So I'll need to take very good care of this. Baby, the braids are crispy. Stop playing. My hair is a little tight still, but that's okay. Day one hair, like, come on. Papa ibuprofen and we're good. Oh, and as you've seen, I got my nails done. I'm so sad because I had to cheat on my nail tech. And you know when you cheat on your nail tech, your beautician, things just don't go right. I got my nails done. Since I went to the salon, I knew not to ask for anything crazy. All I did was French tip. Here are the nails. They're cute enough, just basic French tip. But that's besides the point. It's time to pack. So guess what I did already? I actually laid out all my outfits. So this is gonna be super easy. All the outfits are put together, laid out. I was on the phone with my best friend and she helped me put everything together. So all I have to do is pack it and put it in my suitcase. Then all I need to do is undergarments like underwear, tank top, socks, all that good stuff. And then I need to pack my necessities, edge control, lotion, deodorant, perfume, like all that. So we have to start somewhere. Let me show you the outfits that I got. They're super cute. So some of the stuff I've already had, and then some of this stuff is ordered new. This is the floor to my beauty room slash office. It's a mess in here, so whatever. This is a cover up that I have that'll match a green swimsuit that I'm still waiting on. It's supposed to get here between the 24th and the 26th, so cutting it pretty close. But I do have a, ooh, I just stepped on my glasses. I broke. I don't think they broke, okay. Gotta be careful. But I do have a backup swimsuit. This outfit, which is a cute top from Shein, some jeans that I probably came from like Burlington or something a while ago. And I have my Gucci slides. This dress, this jean dress from Fashion Nova. Purse from Shein. Shoes are from Shein as well, I believe. My other swimsuit outfit. This is a dinner outfit. It's actually a dress. It's gonna be super cute. Bracelets and rings from the mall. Earrings, you see. The dress is from Fashion Nova. Shoes are from Shein. This is actually the first shoe from Shein that I actually seen like have Shein's logo on it, like they created it. Extra going out outfit. Another outfit, so shorts, a shirt, my bag, glasses, gonna be very cute. My desert outfit, it is a sports bra and biker shorts, super cute. My New Year's outfit, not this passport, I just had that down here. But this is my New Year's outfit, and then I also have my Cartier bracelet. These are pants, a purse, ring. The pants came from Fashion Nova, accessories from Shein, and then I have my Marc Jacobs tote, and then I'll have like a white bodysuit to go with that, so that's also coming in the mail. And then here's my last outfit. This is for like when we're touring around and walking. Just a nice t-shirt. I'm powerful, kind, confident, beautiful, you know, all that good stuff, and a bag of chips. The bag of chips isn't on there, but come on, it's me. I'm the bag of chips. I got my suitcase from Amazon, and this is actually a pack of 3. For our trip, we did an Expedia package, which comes with the flight and the hotel. In the package, we get 2 check bags and then a carry-on bag and a personal. But I don't think I'm gonna need all that. So first things first, I'm going to put all my outfits in here. Okay, so now for all the glasses, I think I'm gonna put them in a purse. I think I'm gonna put all my glasses in my Marc Jacobs tote. So I have these green ones. The Stunner shades. And then I had these spectacles. These are actually blue light glasses, if you can't tell all the blue. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my jewelry in here. Can't forget the Cartier. I'm gonna put this green bag in here. Since it is small, I think that's all I can compact. I also got plastic bags because I can't hear anything but my mom yelling at me, telling me to make sure I have my shoes wrapped in plastic bags. She tells me that every trip, so I'll make sure I do that. Mom.
If you got time to waste it with me, and I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see, and I am who I am, and I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, oh my doesn't see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. Okay, so that was literally everything that was on my floor down here. And I still have plenty of space, low key. Like this side with all the accessories and stuff, that's packed. But this side, I still have room. So I think I am going to go ahead and get all my underwear and stuff from upstairs. Bring that down here, put that in here, tank tops, bras, and then pajamas, and seal that up for the vacation. Skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen.